alert day destructive.
Yes, and that's why we have a shift today. We need to be weather aware, especially as we get into those evening hours when a lot of plans take place. A lot of people are out and about, and we've got a lot of people outside.
So make sure you know where you're going to go. Plan ahead, right? Know, okay, well, if I'm going to be down at the banks, go to the parking garage. Know where your closest shelter is in the event of a warning tonight, because we're likely to have numerous severe storms in the area this evening. As we take a look at what's going on this morning, things are relatively quiet, but we don't have to scoot too far to the south to see some rain. You can see thunderstorms now approaching Louisville. There's a little bit of thunder and lightning just south of Owen County. So the way these are moving, generally kind of holding tight to 64, but our area south of 71-75 split especially will have the potential for some scattered rain or a thunderstorm here as we approach 6, 7, and 8 o'clock in the morning. Once we get to midday, there is the potential we could see some additional rain trying to move through, but it's really this evening that we have the best chance for more widespread strong to severe storms. And as we take a look at the regional outlook for severe weather, you'll see from Paducah to Evansville right up in through Cincinnati, included in the red here, which is a moderate risk for widespread severe storms into the evening hours. Time frame wise, 6 p.m. to midnight would be the main time frame for our severe weather outlook. So I want to take you through the day. In the morning, some scattered rain or storms focused along and south of the Ohio River. Those will move out. Midday, monitoring the chance for some storms. These may or may not occur. If they do, it's actually a good thing. They would help to really stabilize the atmosphere a little bit for us into the afternoon. In general, the afternoon is expected to be warm, windy, and humid. Temperatures into the low 80s. And then as we get into the evening, again, 6 o'clock to midnight, widespread strong storms are expected. Let's take a look at the futurecast here. You can see for today, here's the early morning batch of rain and thunderstorms, generally focused south of the 71-75 split. That would be for the early morning commute. Those move out. Then as we get toward lunchtime, you can see here's another one on its heels. Again, this would be an okay thing if this happened around lunchtime. Clouds are good, rain is good, kind of works over the atmosphere a little bit, and then we have to recover into the middle of the afternoon. But basically all models are showing by mid-afternoon, the sun's back out, we're up into the 80s, the humidity is up, and that will lead to that potential for storms into the evening, and those have all forms of severe weather possible. Now you'll notice this particular futurecast still has us dry at 6 o'clock. I think at some point between 6 and 8 p.m. is the leading edge of these stronger storms, and you can see embedded in that leading edge we could have some damaging straight line winds. There could be tornadoes embedded on that leading edge as well, along with the potential for some hail. And there's the possibility of large hail today. Could see hail up to the size of 2 inches in our region. So we're going to have some decent strong storms here into the evening. This is 9 o'clock, 10, 11 p.m. And then by the time we get to about midnight is when we're finally kind of on the back side of this complex of storms that'll be with us into the evening hours. So make sure your devices are all charged up so you have a way to get those warnings tonight and know what your plan of action would be. So be prepared, not scared as we head into our evening hours tonight. As far as severe weather threats go, strong winds, damaging winds, 75-mile-an-hour gusts are our main concern. However, tornadoes, large hail, they will be in our region as well. And depending on if your town gets hit with repeated rounds of heavy rain, we could be dealing with some areas of high water. So taking you through the 12 hours here this morning, 7 a.m. Accounting for those thunderstorms that are possible south of the river. Then things quiet down. Midday could see another batch of thunderstorms. Again, those would be a helper for us, could help bring down the intensity of evening storms. And then once we get past about 6 o'clock tonight, that's when we have the weather alert symbol for the more widespread severe weather. So today, a weather alert day, 84 degrees with storms, primarily the evening being the bigger concern. Check out the weekend, though. Saturday and Sunday are both looking dry. Saturday, I know Xavier has commencement. There's a lot of events in town. It'll actually be a decent day. The weekend is dry. We're right back into repeated rounds of storms next week. So, Katie, hopefully the storms tonight will hold off until the evening rush is over.
Yeah, hoping for that as well, because those could be a big